So here guys, I'm gonna make cassava cake. So I'm going to share with you guys. So now I'm using 2 of this cassava, grated cassava, and then 3 eggs, 1 condensed, 1 coconut milk, and this coconut string. So but first I'm just gonna use half of it to mix it together. Okay guys, antabay lang po, and then papakita ko po sa inyong lahat ng aking gagawin. So ayan, of course we're going to empty it into the big bowl. So I'm trying to get everything from the bag. And also, I'm not going to squish it. So, ito lang guys, hindi ko na siya i-squish. Yan na yung ano niya. So, bali yan na po lahat. Yung coconut, yung grated cassava, 3 itlog, 1 condensed, tsaka 1 coconut milk, and also half of the buko strips or string. And guys, ihahalo na lang natin. Guys, meron pala akong i-add yung ayan, yung parang soy sauce ang kulay. Yan yung vanilla extract. Guys, bali, ginanon lang natin yung corner niya. I-mix na lang natin properly kasi na-mix na yan. But just to get the edge. Ayan guys. So, this is the baking dish na gagamitin natin. Bali, nilagyan ko siya ng butter. Bali, ipo-pour na lang natin yung na-butter natin na cassava mix. Actually, it's my first time na mag-bake na cassava cake. Ayan guys. Hintayin lang natin na uminit yung oven. Guys, ayan na yung muna. So, yung oven po is na ready na siya. Naka-heat up siya naka-preheat na siya ng 350. So, bali nilagay natin ito ng 1 oras. Ayan po siya. Legit po siya na masarap. Bali sa on top, nilagyan ko ulit ng yung half ng coconut strips. And then dapat condensed ang ilalagay sa top. Pero wala akong condensed, so ang nilagay ko is yung cream. Kaya ganyan po ang itsura, pero masarap po siya.